So in this video, now we are going to discuss about abstract classes. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is an abstract class, what is abstraction in Python, and how can we create an abstract class. So let's first create a class using Python. So let's say we are having a class name. So let's say we are having a class students. So in this class, we will in this class we will create a function that is student count, and we will create and we will if we don't if we don't want to write anything in a method or in a function in a class, we need to write just pass. So if we don't want to create any variable or any data uh, in the function of a class, we just need to write pass. So this is how we can create an abstract method. So uh, we need to have a method which does not return anything. So and it does not have any statement or any code in that, and it does not return anything. So it is a abstract method. And if any class have an abstract method, this class will be an abstract class. So this is how we can create an abstract class in other programming languages. But in Python, uh, how can we create an abstract class? We will discuss about this, but let's create a method. Let's create a method. Let's create an object of this student class. So let's create an object of this student class. Let's say it is s is equals to, and we are creating an object of this student class. So if we are having an abstract class, we can't create an object or we can't instantiate the class, the abstract class. So let's print s. So we can have, we are having output like main dot student object. So we are creating a student object. So now we have created the student object. So this is not an abstract class. So how can we create an abstract class in Python? For creating an abstract class in Python, we are having a module named ABC, which is stand for abstract base classes. So we are having a module ABC. So we are importing from this module, from ABC module, we are importing abstract method and abstract base classes. So now we are importing these two modules from this module ABC. So let's say we are uh, having so now we are creating student class as an abstract class. So we need to pass ABC in the parenthesis. So now this will be a abstract class, but an abstract class must have an abstract method. So now we need to create an abstract method. So now we are creating an abstract method. We need to write a decorator and write abstract method before the function definition. So now we have write the abstract method, and now if we call this function and print the object, now we create the object of this student class, and if we print the object, let's print this. So it is saying that can't instantiate abstract class student with abstract methods student count. So now we have created an abstract class. So if we have an abstract class and uh, so we can't create an object of an abstract class. So let's create another class. Let's say we are creating a class computer science. So now we have created a class computer science, and we are saying that this class is inherited from the base class student. So now we are having a computer class, and let's say we are having a function. mm, in this, we are having a function student count, and let's write print. Let's say it is the let's say it does not return anything, and it has the statement pass. So we are not doing with this function right now. So let's create an object of the computer science class. So now let's create an object, say it is com, and we are creating the objects. Let's say it is this. Now print the object of computer science class. So now we have created the object of this computer science class. So now we are having an abstract class, and we are inheriting the computer science class from the abstract class student. So let's do some coding here. Let's say we are printing the computer science class have 95 students. So let's print this. So if you want to print the student count of computer class, you need to create an object of computer science class. So we have created an object that is com, and you need to call the function student count. So let's call the function using dot student count. So let's print this. So it is saying that yes, we don't need to write print, because here we are printing the statement. So we don't need to write here print. If we return this string, then we need to write print. So let's run this now, and we are having the output. The computer science class have 96 students. So this is how we can work with an abstract class. Let's create another class. Let's say it is a class teacher. So now we have created a class teacher, and it does not abstract. It does not have inherit from the. It does not inherit it from the student that is an abstract class. Let's say we are having a mm, method. Uh, let's say it is subject. So let's print here uh, teacher of CS class. So if we create an object of teacher class, so let's create an object of teacher class. So and print now the let's call the function that is teacher dot subject. So let's call this function, and this is the output. So now we are having uh, this uh, class student that is an abstract class. Now uh, abs- we will inherit this teacher from the student class. Let's print this now. So now it is saying can't instantiate an abstract class teacher with the abstract method student count. So now we are having a different method here. So that's why we cannot inherit and we cannot create an abstract method. We cannot create an abstract method or abstract class instance or object. So let's say we are having this as student count. So now let's print this. student count. So now we are having teacher of a CS class. So I hope you understand the concept of abstract classes and abstract method. In the next video, we will see how can we use and why to use abstract methods or abstract classes.